Yo, friend. At the start of this video, let me ask you these two questions. Write the answers down or just memorize them, but do not forget them. So, the first question is, it's a little nice evening and you want to go to the theater and watch a play. You are on your way to the theater and you realize that you've lost a $10 bill. Are you still going to watch that movie? And remember, the ticket costs $10 exactly. Do you know your answer? Well, hold on to it. Now, the second question. You purchased the ticket beforehand, and on your way to the theater, you now realize that you've lost the ticket itself. Now, the same exact question. Are you going to repurchase that ticket again? Great. Now, let's start our today's video. Have you ever realized that we humans are lazy creatures? Or maybe we're not lazy. Well, here's the real life example. You spent 3 hours on the project and at the end you realize that you have completely done it wrong. And now you have to redo it again. You will feel a lot of pain. That will be a disaster. Well, on the other hand, you might just avoid doing the 3-hour project and just scroll on your social media. It feels nothing. You see what's happening here. You are doing your project in the wrong way and you're scrolling through the social media and you're exactly spending 3 hours in each case. But the feelings are different. Even though your project hasn't been finished and you have lost 3 hours, but the frustration levels are completely different. So why is that? This is something called sunk cost fallacy in behavioral economics. The idea is very simple. Our brain treats things differently based on how much effort, time, and emotions that we put into it. And that's why not finishing a 3-hour project and redoing it feels like a disaster. Well, at the meantime, doom scrolling on social media 3 hours and then doing the project feels like nothing. So researchers ask this critical question. What if our brain treats money differently as well? Well, to find it out, they've asked those two questions to the people that I asked you at the beginning of the video, and now we are going to review your answers. People said yes when they were asked the first question, because losing a $10 bill felt like a cosmic tax. That's not something that related to the theater. The ticket costs $10. It didn't change at all. So people said that, okay, it doesn't matter, I've lost $10, but I'm still going to buy the ticket and watch the play. But interestingly, when they were asked the second question, most of the people said no. Why? Because now, watching the play felt like you were spending $20. Well, yes, you are poorer exactly $10 in both cases, but your brain tells you different stories. In the first case, you've lost $10 from the bucket that your brain calls lost money. Well, you can easily still spend money for the theater bucket. Well, in the second case, you're spending $10 twice from one bucket. So like you're spending $20 to watch a play, and suddenly your brain tells you that, stop, it's expensive now. You can go home and watch a movie on your computer. So to be honest, that's very interesting how our brain works and how it treats expenses very differently based on different scenarios. If we talk about it, we can find several examples. But the most common is a gym membership. Well, imagine I've handed you a $40 cash bill and told you to burn it. What would you say? You would probably tell me that that's insane. I'm not going to burn $40. I'm not a psychopath. Well, that's functionally what an unused $40 gym membership is. You would spend $40 every month for the gym, but after some sessions, you stop going there. You'll just pay. You'll not utilize it fully, but you're not feeling that much of a pain where you burn that $40 cash down because it's labeled as a membership expense, not an actively burning cash down expense bucket. So now you know about how a brain treats expenses differently. So the next time you face such problems, just ask yourself, if I had this amount of cash in my hand, would I do the exact same thing that I'm supposed to do right now? Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. And as always, exercise your brains. See you in the next video.